Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to stop recording now. Open the Drawing and the Action Recorder palette. Once visible, inspect the recorder status on the palette and in the command line. You can also type Actrecord to query the current value. A 1 means recording. Save your work before changing states, because turning recording off will finalize any macro. When ready, we'll switch Actrecord to 0, which tells Autocad to stop capturing actions immediately. Now stop the recorder. Press stop or end recording on the Action Recorder palette to finish the session, and make sure any macro is saved or discarded as you choose. Alternatively, type Actrecord at the command line and enter 0 to disable recording directly. You should see the palette indicate recording has stopped. If you saved a macro, note its name and location. Once done, verify with another Actrecord query so you don't inadvertently keep recording. Finish by saving the macro if you need it, or delete it from the Action Recorder palette to avoid accidental playback. If Actrecord doesn't flip to 0, check for startup Lisp, scripts, or custom menus that force recording. Temporarily disable them and retry. You can also restart Autocad to clear transient locks. Make sure to check XREF contexts and other open drawings, because Actrecord affects the running session. So confirm the recorder is off in each file before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.